Is your laptop battery draining so fast, or is your laptop battery not lasting the way it's supposed to be? Don't worry, BLESSEDTECH got your back. In this video, I will show you 10 tricks on how to fix a laptop battery draining so fast. But before we dive into today's topic, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to this channel, like, share and comment on this video. Let's dive in. Here are clear and simple 10 ways to fix a laptop battery drains issue. I will take you through step by step, both software and hardware solution. Number 1. Check background apps. Too many background apps running can drain your battery very fast. How to fix it? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape Task Manager. Go to Startup tab and disable app that you don't need, and also go to Process tab and end apps that are not useful to you. Number 2, change your power plan. High performance mode drains your laptop battery very fast. How to fix it? Press Window key plus R. Type this powercfg.cpl. It should open a power option. Choose balance or battery saver. Click change plan setting. Set both display and sleep. Set both display and sleep to shorten times. Number 3, turn off what you don't need. These features drains laptop battery when they are left on. Turn off your Wi-Fi if you are not using it. Turn off your Bluetooth. Turn off your keyboard backlight. Turn off your hotspot. Turn off your location. Shortcut on how to do that. Press Window key plus A. Turn things off from the quick setting. Number 4, check your battery health. If your laptop battery health is low, it drains fast. How to do that? Run a battery report. Press Window key. You type this powercfg/battery report. Check the value of design capacity versus full charge capacity. If the difference is big, the battery is weak. Number 5, update Windows plus drivers. Updated system drains battery very fast. How to fix it? Go to setting, you go to Window Update, install all updates. You go to device manager and update battery drivers and display drivers. Number 6, lower display brightness. Brightness is the number one battery killer. Reduce your laptop battery from 40% to 60%. How to do that? Press Window key plus A to adjust the brightness to the brightness slider. Number 7, turn off background apps. Windows apps run background tasks and drains battery. How to fix it? Go to setting, you go to app, you go to install app and close app that you don't need. Number 8, use battery saver mode. How to do that? You go to setting, you go to system, you go to power and battery. Turn on battery saver or set it to start automatically at 20% or 30%. Number 9, check for malware. Malware can run hidden process that drains battery. How to do that? Open Windows Security and run a full scan. Number 10, replace your battery if very old. If your laptop battery health is below 50%, no setting will fix that. Only a replacement of battery is the real solution to that. So guys, here are 10 tricks on how to fix a laptop battery draining fast. Number 1, check background apps. Number 2, change your power plan. Number 3, turn off what you don't need. Number 4, check battery health. Number 5, update your Windows plus drivers. Number 6, lower display brightness. Number 7, turn off background apps. Number 8, use battery saver mode. Number 9, check for malware. And number 10, replace your battery. So guys, if this video is helpful to you, give this video a like, a share, a comment, and a subscribe. Share this video to your family, your friends, people that has challenge on their laptop battery, so that they can fix this by themselves. See you on my next video. Bye for now.